Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up in Venmo. For those who doesn't know what is Venmo, it is going to be a financial app that will be used into the United States to pay friends, send money between the family members, and also the payment so you can go ahead and spend money on payments, on bills, or on specific let's say here shopping stores or retails. It is going to be very limited, but it can be let's say effective into some cases if you're going to exchange some money within the friend or the family members. Now, how we can get an account or sign in into the specific platform. So you're going basically here to head over Venmo.com. Then you're going to click on Get Venmo. Once you have clicked on here, you're going to head over this specific area. So Venmo is going to be well known for the mobile users more than the desktop ones. So you're going to download the app of Venmo, then you can go ahead and create your own account. So you can go ahead and click on or select the type of the Venmo that you are going to use. Either it is going to be personal or for teens, for example, and also for businesses. So if you are going to put it as personal, click on get started, and then you're going to put your phone number, send code, and then you're going to put the code that you have received. So now I'm going to switch to these screen. As you can see, screenshots. We are going to see the specific, let's say here, steps that we are going to get after we have verified our number. So you're going to put a photo or a profile photo for your account. You're going to put your first name, last name, a username, a email address, and also a password. After that, you're going to agree to the policies of Venmo, and then you're going to set up the agreement in here for policies and etc. You can read or there or take a quick look to the fees and also the things. We have some fees that we can get in here, but I assure you that it is not going to be that high. And also, I am going to point something out, that is Venmo is going to be only a local US app that you are going to use. It is not going to be for international transfers. So if you need something that is going to be international, you can use a PayPal instead. Now, after you have set up the agreement, you're going to be able to connect to friends on Venmo. So you can add from here or synchronize the phone contacts or the Facebook contacts that use Venmo, or you can go ahead and skip this specific step in here. And then you can go ahead and set up the payment settings. You can make it public, friends, or only private. Each one of the modes are going to be having their specific um, here agreement or the specific conditions for them. And when you finish that, you're going to click on done. And after that, you are going to see the welcome message for Venmo. Here we have the, as you can see, the opportunity to find people to pay or add a way to pay. For example, link in your bank account or your card. Enter a promo code, for example, or get the Venmo debit card, which is going to be used for buying stuff. And also get in for your balance, cash backs, and etc. So if you're going to pay or request a payment, you're going to click on the V on the blue button or the big blue button, or you can go ahead and click on scan with here, and then you're going to scan a wallet or a Venmo wallet for someone. When you are going to click on the pay or request, you're going to get this specific, as you can see, page. So you're going to enter the amount and what is it for, and then you're going to put the person that you are going to search before this step, and then you're going to either pay it or request the amount from it. So basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.